Hey, welcome to How to Build Your Own Home. Today we are pouring foundation walls. I'm very excited about that. We'll show you some great video of that. I wanted to talk to you about the compression against a retaining wall. If you have a basement or any kind of a high wall that's typically over 4 or 5 feet or so, you're going to have a different kind of engineering to hold the weight of exterior soil compression against that wall. So I came up, I double checked, I wanted to make sure that I had the proper rebar that's scheduled out on the plans, and I found out that they were off on 3 of the walls. They had number 4 rebar every vertical every 12 inches. I needed to have number 5 rebar every 10 inches. So we had enough rebar on the site, called my engineer and said, hey, can we go every 6 inches with number 4 rebar? And he goes, that's fine, Keith, go ahead and slap it in. So that's what we did. Luckily, we did have some number 5 rebar, and we also had some number 4 rebar, and we put it in through the top, just on the 3 walls where they were missing. We made a lift, changed the wall height from a stem wall, and made that correction, got the approval from the engineer. The permitting office already approved me. They just wanted a letter from the engineer stating that everything's good, so we made that adjustment. Here's the difference between number 5 rebar and number 4 rebar. The only difference is about another eighth of an inch. So if it's a number 4 rebar, it's typically about 4/8 of an inch. If it's a number 5 rebar, it's 5/8 of an inch. Every time you go up with a number, it's about another eighth of an inch. That's how you tell what rebar you've got. So we got that. We got this every 6 inches now on the vertical, but on the horizontal, we had number 4 rebar. And that's all there, ready to rock and roll. So watch what we do. We are pouring foundation walls. I'm very excited about this because we can actually schedule out framing and everything. So watch them pour concrete.